Yes, it is.
Is that docking system there?
It's usually Monday through Thursday, Monday through Friday.
I bet they have Monday off.
And even if you were to come like during the day, it'll be very seldom that you see an astronaut training in here because they train from like 6 o'clock in the morning till about 2. So you'll never see like over 50 people in here. You're gonna see a lot of engineers or astronauts. You don't know which ones are astronauts because they don't wear the astronaut suit. They'll actually wear like some cargo pants and a polo because they're just running through flight simulations and troubleshooting.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you look straight ahead, you're going to see the Orion capsule. The Orion capsule is the next exploration vehicle that we'll be using. This is a new system. It is an old capsule-based system, but it will be using a new system. This actually is a flight control module versus the old one was just dropping from space down into the water and then having a splashdown. Versus this one will actually be able to take flight. We're going to be using this to head to different locations. It will be able to dock to the International Space Station. It will actually go to the moons of Mars and Mars itself, which we'll be trying to shoot for in the 2030s. Now, the Orion capsule will actually be able to house 4 to 6 astronauts at a time with the room of tools and new materials. Now, if you take a look to the left of the Orion capsule, you're going to see a very large blue structure. This is the 6th degree of freedom dynamic test system. This is where they test all of the docking systems for the Orion capsule and the International Space Station. Now, the International Space Station is very difficult to get to at some times, and docking is very key when doing so. So this is where they test all of the systems before doing a real docking in space. Now, whenever you see the International Space Station or any space shuttle, like in the movies or on any television special, and it's going around the Earth, it's rotating around the Earth at 17,500 miles per hour, or that's 28,500 kilometers per hour, which is still 5 miles per second. Now, putting that in another perspective, that is taking a plane flight from IAH, the airport here, from Houston, Texas, all the way to Paris, France in 17 minutes.
Dang.
So when docking in space, it is very essential that you dock 2 bodies in space at a very slow pace because there is very fragile information and materials when docking in space, okay? Now, we're going to move to the third portion of this tour. This is where we're going to learn about some of the old systems like the Canadarm, some of the rovers and robotic systems that we'll be using in the future.